Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy YouTube video link in mobile. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, I'm going to show you how to do it on your YouTube app and on browser. So let's get started. So first, you want to open your YouTube and then choose any video that you want. So for example, this one. So here you can see the share button, so just go ahead and click that and then click copy link. So the link of this video is now copied. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach you how to do it on browser. So actually it is the same, but I'm just gonna show you. So first, open any browser that you are using. So for this tutorial, I'm just gonna use Safari. And then here search for youtube.com and then again choose any video that you want and then click share, and here just want to scroll down until you see copy, and then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.